Okay, guys, so I just got a new boat, and it's really cool. It's the one that I'm standing on. It's very big. It looks cool, but it was only $4,000. So it was a very good investment, and it still looks very cool. So now I'm gonna drive it. Got stuck under the staircase. Got stuck under the staircase again. Now I'm gonna be able to drive it. Wait, this is gigantic. And it goes very fast also. Like very, very, very fast. Like insanely fast though, actually. I'm probably just gonna go to jungle. Also, this is just a display of my boat that I got. So it's gonna be a short video. So yeah. Gonna go to jungle. Cause why not? Gonna go over there to the brick wall. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. But well, I think this is gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, bye!